Hello guys, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix the app is not installing from the Play Store. So when your app update is available, if you have updated your app successfully, after updating the app is stuck on installing process. As you can see guys, before 3 to 4 minutes the app is only installing. The installing process is not completing in the Play Store. So I also facing the same type of problem. So if you are also facing, so watch this video till end very carefully, don't miss any option, any method. So let's get started. While installing, you need to check your phone's internet connection. If the internet connection is gone while installing, at that time the app will stuck on installing process only. First you need to sort out the internet issue. Open other app like YouTube, Facebook, Google and check how your internet is performing. If the internet is working fine on other app and then you are facing the installing process problem, you can try the next method. Tap and hold on your Play Store and open the Play Store app info. Okay, like this. Go to storage, clear the cache and then go back and forcefully stop your app. After doing this guys, close this. You need to check your phone date and time setting. If the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. After doing this guys, try to update your app. Now it will successfully update. Still in case the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to check your phone internal storage. If the internal storage is not free, you need to free up some internal storage and then try to update your app and it will install successfully. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to open your phone settings like this. Go to apps. Okay, in the apps here you can get your all install app. Scroll down and find out Google Play services. Open it. Go to storage, clear the cache, go to manage storage. From here you need to clear the app data. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time compulsory. After restarting, open the Play Store. Now it will update. Still the problem is same, you need to remove your Google account from your device. Okay, and add it once again. After doing this guys, it will definitely fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple method to fix this issue. So any of will definitely work with you. Comment down below which option, which method was work on your device. Still the problem is same, you can comment down below. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe to SmartTech Junction for more tech solution.